We doing math today. Ain't got time for no games. We doing math today. All work and no play. We doing.
Hey guys, let's go over 4.32. Previously, we learned about EVO. And so each time I want you to think about, can we apply EVO? So for number 7, the first thing I'm going to do is you can write it out, 16. And that 16, I'm thinking to myself, should be like 4 and 4. And then really, in your factoring tree, 2 times 2 times 2. So it's really 2 to the 4th power. X minus 3 to the 12th power. And remember, our index goes in the bottom of the fraction. So that becomes 2 to the 1st. And that becomes x minus 3 to the 3rd power. Okay, so the 2 there is, although we have a even, the 2 is not a variable, but the second part over here, that is a variable, and then is this an odd? That is true. So what does that mean? You're going to put this one into the absolute. So you can erase that one, and then your answer is this. Okay. Number 8. Again, write EVO each time, super helpful. Let's go ahead and just simplify first. So I have x to the 16th, y to the 8th, and my index, or my root, is 8. So now I'm going to divide those by 8. So really you can get rid of this. So now you have x to the 2nd and y to the 1st. Okay, is this an even? Yes. Do you have variables? You have x and y? Yes. Okay, which one of those is odd? The only one that is odd is the y, because that 1 is an odd, 2 is not. So clean that up. And that would be our answer. Okay, number 9. So write EVO again. Let's break down 81, 9 and 9. So I have 3, so I have 3 to the 4th power. And then you have x minus 4 to the 4th power. We're going to write them with rational exponents. That just basically means their exponent has a fraction. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Same thing as to the 3rd power. And you'll have x minus 4 to the 1 power as well. Excuse me. 3 is not even. It's not a variable. And it is an odd coming out. Okay, let's try this one now. We had an even. This is a variable. Is it an odd coming out? And the answer is yes. So that one is the one that's going into the absolute value. Let's clean it up. And this is our answer. Number 10. Let's write this as a rational exponent of x to the 18th power divided by 6. Simplify that, you get x to the 3rd. Is that even right here? Yes. Do we have a variable down here in x? Yes, we do. Is that number an odd? Yes. That basically just means you're going to put that into absolute values. And that'll be our answer. Number 11. Let's write it out. Evo. So you can write that 8 to the 12th divided by the index or the root. Let's go through Evo. This is even. This is a variable. This eventually becomes odd. That just means you're going to put your answer inside absolute values. Let's box our answer. And that'll be our answer. Are we going to use Evo for this problem? Is that an even? Yes. Okay, so we just got to be mindful of it when we do it at the end, okay? So I have 16, which is going to become... Okay, now, I got to pay attention here. I need something multiplied by itself 4 times to equal 16. We do 4 times 4, and that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There are 4 of those numbers. Does that make sense? So that's why I can write 2 to the 4th power. I have x to the 12th. I have y to the 4th. And I have z to the 16th here. And we're going to divide all those numbers by 4. So I get 2 to the 1st, x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, z to the 4th. Okay, now let's apply our Evo. This is only going to apply to even index, which we have, variables only, so go ahead and underline those that are variables right there, and go ahead and only circle those that are odd degree exponents. That would only be I made a mistake. Did you see that mistake? Right there. So let's go ahead and circle the ones that are odd. So those are the only 2 that are going into the absolute value sign. That means I have 2 that goes in front and the z in the 4th in the back. Order doesn't matter, but what's most important is that the absolute value signs x to the 3rd and y are in there. And that's our answer for C10. See you guys.
It's lonely at the top, all of my enemies have been defeated. This math has been sitting in my head for too long, it's starting to give me these lesions. Follow the formula gives reasons. Stay solving and uncovering all of the reasons. Multiplication, division, subtraction, and then we got fractions and algebra. Double the 7, I got the angles, I'm busting, finding the key. I'm almost breaking and finding the answer solutions. I'm ready to uncover the problem. Open up, knock, here comes the number 9, nearly 1, 2, 4, oh no. Making a mess, my counting the best. I guess I should clean this all up and go home.